guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I'm at BEARy workshop, and we are about to make bears for my daughter's birthday and my other two children who were born in November. They let you do birthday bears for the birthday month for the price that the child is. So like my daughter's turning 12 tomorrow, so it's $12 for the bear. So I'm going to take you inside and show you the whole process and show you around BEARy workshop. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this flooring. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you my video. Alright guys, so here we are inside and Sophie is having her bear stuffed, and Sophie is actually pushing on a lever on the ground that helps the lady put the stuffing in the bear. It is so cute. So they really get to participate in building the bear, and it's really cute. The associates wear a really cute little bear backpack that they're wearing. You can see the machine behind us here that's rolling around the stuffing for the bear. It is just so much fun, and then there's hearts there that they get to choose from. Sophie's holding the heart right there. She gets the birthday heart since she has the birthday bear, and she gets to put that inside the bear once it's done being stuffed, and then they sew up the back of the bear, and they get to make a birthday wish for the bear, and then it's just a really cute little ceremony. I think it's called the heart ceremony. It's just so adorable. And there's also the logo they put on the bear. This bear is so nicely made. Here is a kiosk where you could actually make a birth certificate for your bear, and then they print it out over where you pay. It's really fun. So they're choosing the bears' names right now. And then also back here is a station, like a spa station for the bears. And it has like actually a working blow dryer that you push a lever on the ground with your feet, and it makes the blow drying sound, and it's really cute. So Roman's blow drying his bear there. And here we are at a kiosk. Again, I wanted to show you more of what that looks like. Again, it's just really fun, and it really makes the kids think that or feel that the bears are alive. It's just really a cool personal experience. You know, it's just really fun. And here is a bunch of clothing. I mean, they have clothing for days here for the bears. I mean, they have Christmas clothing. I wanted to show you a little bit of that. They have the cute little Christmas sparkle dresses. I think those are around $15, $16. And they also have the Rudolph, and then another reindeer, and again they even have clothes for the reindeers. You know, they have just so many cute clothes. The cute little sparkle dress, again about $15, $16. So I just wanted to show you all that. And then they have roller skates. They have a house to take home. I wish I saw the price on that house, because that was really cute. The house to take the bear home in. Sparkle little slippers for the bear. Lanyard for the bear. They also have Frozen 2. You guys, I wanted to show you this. So they are really on top of it at Build-A-Bear for, you know, the stuff that's coming out in theaters. So here we are looking at the Frozen 2 stuff, the selection for your Build-A-Bear. They have Elsa and Anna wigs, like so adorable. Those were about $8 each, and so I thought that was just so adorable. So I wanted to show you that a little bit closer. And then they have brushes, hair brushes to brush the wigs and to brush the bears. And they also have of course, Elsa and Anna costumes, or the dresses, I should say. There's Olaf, really cute little Olaf accessory. There's the Anna outfit, so cute. Looks just like, you know, the real thing. They have the little water bottles. Now, I don't know if those are for the bears or for people, but they're really cute. There's another Frozen type dress, or Frozen inspired dress. And then there's the Elsa, and then the bears, some more bears. I mean, there's just every little thing to think of here they have thought of. Basically, it's amazing. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of that. And so yeah, they just have everything there. There's Sophie in the front of the store on that cute little circle tile entryway. It says Build-A-Bear, so cute. Sophie's holding her finished bear that she named Angela. So cute. So she's super excited about that. And there's Macy with her bear. She's waving with her bear, and she named it Vanilla. So stay tuned, guys, for the haul at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I have the tree up. I decided to go ahead and put it up a little early, and so I'm so excited. It's still coming together, but I wanted to just talk about that for a quick second. And I love flocked trees. Oh my gosh, I love them. I had them growing up. And so this I bought last year at Walmart during the holiday season, so I did not get it on clearance or anything like that, because you guys know me, I love a good sale. But that's how much I love flocked trees that I bought at full price. I think I paid, golly, I can't remember now. It was 30 or $40 for this tree, but I love it. And so I'm still decorating it, but the lights twinkle. It's not a pre-lit tree, by the way. I added the lights, but these lights are going to do different modes. So for different videos, you might see my lights doing different things. Like right now I have it on like a twinkle mode, but you might see it on a still mode the next time, or that kind of thing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my new background, and I'm going to still add to it, like I said, but I wanted to quickly mention that. And then I'm going to go ahead and I wanted to I wanted to talk to you guys about our Build-A-Bear workshop experience. It was super, super fun, and I actually wanted to show you the bear up close. It is so cute. But really quick, it was really fun, you guys, going there. The people that work there make it seem like the bears there are like living, they're alive, they're special. Like, it's really cool. It's really, really cool. And you know, it's just everybody who works there is very cheerful. It's just a great overall, very good experience. And so what it is, the birthday month, the child gets to be, so like I have 3 kids born in November. So I called today. I said, I have 3 kids born in November. They said, yeah, it's when it's their birthday month, then they can get the bear for the price. There's a birthday bear they have. It's like a certain bear that they have. And she said that the birthday bear is the cost of the age of the, so like say your child's turning 3, then the bear is $3 only. Now the bear originally, if you wasn't your birthday, is $14. So today I paid $12 for Paige's 12th birthday for her bear. I paid $7 for Sophie's bear because she just turned 7, and I paid $5 for Roman's bear because he just turned 5, and then I paid $6 or $7 for Macy's bear because they had a bear on sale for her. Now Macy's our only child not born in November; she's born in June, so we'll take her back in June and do the birthday bear for her. But I wanted her to have a bear as well today. So and then the boxes I'm going to show you are 75 cents each if you choose to buy a box to take the bear home in, or you could just get a bag, I guess. But we chose the box, so I bought 4 boxes at 75 cents. So I think my total for all 4 bears and the boxes was around $34, $34 or $35. So yeah, it was really, really fun, you guys. And I asked the lady who was ringing us up, she said that every year the birthday bear seems to change. Like, it just changes a little bit. So I'm excited to see if it changes for June for next year for Macy. So, but let's go ahead and I'm going to show you really quick this. I want to, like I said, do this video to end the Build-A-Bear workshop video here in my studio so that you guys can see, like I said, up close, you know, up more close in this video. And then also I have a Daiso haul to show you as well, which I'll do another video after this of Daiso. We went to Daiso today at the mall as well. We went to the Roseville Galleria, and I'd never been to the Daiso at the Roseville Galleria, so I have some video of that. I also have stuff I bought that I want to show you. So I'm going to do a separate haul with that, but I wanted to go ahead and just, like I said, show you the Build-A-Bear stuff right now. And then, like I said, I'll record that one separately, the Daiso one. But yeah, Build-A-Bear was at the Roseville Galleria as well. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and show you what it is. So now this is the box that you can buy for 75 cents that you can take the bear home in. And you can see the little bear sticking out of the sides. And you can actually, my kids have already, this is Roman's bear, and he already started coloring the box. So it's just really cute. So you can see he put grass. And I mean, these boxes are so cute for 75 cents. Really cute. Okay, and it says, everybody come on in. So it's really, really cute. Okay, let me show you this bear. First of all, I gotta show you this bear. I was gonna show you the certificate, but let me show you this bear. This bear, if you guys could feel it, it is so soft, and it's like, it's almost silky feeling. I didn't know it would be such high quality. So this little guy cost me only, because it was Roman's bear, it cost me $5. It says they put the name on it. And it says today's a day to sell bear 8, like bear. And right here is right there. It says, so you can see it says celebrate. That's cute, but they put their name and the child's birthday age. So this was $5, you guys. And look at how cute the little feetsies are. It says happy birthday. And then the little, it even has the detailed BRB build, or is it BRB? No, BAB, Build-A-Bear. And here's the back where they sew it up. You put the heart inside and they sew it up right there. You put the stuffing in there at the Build-A-Bear too. And it is just so cute, you guys. So this was $5. That is a huge savings from $14 for just this one because he turned 5. So I wanted to just show you guys this little guy up close. He's so cute. So anyway, he really is so cute. And it has the Build-A-Bear tag on the back, but here's that. And then you also get a birth certificate. So there's a kiosk kind of thing there, like a computer that you can make your, I almost said child, make your bear a certificate, a birth certificate, and then they print it up at the front where you pay for it. And so he chose, Roman named his bear Roman. So, and it says he's 15 inches, he weighs 6 ounces, his eye color is black, his fur color is medium brown, and he belongs to Roman. So it's just really, really cute idea. So anyway, this was just a really fun little adventure for us to go on. It's like I said, my daughter's birthday, so we totally did a whole mall outing. We had so much fun. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got at Daiso. But I wanted to, like I said, show you what we got at Build-A-Bear because this is so cool. We had so much fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the little like walkthrough and tour of Build-A-Bear. Like I said, it was a blast. We had so much fun. So anyways, thank you so much for being here, you guys, and for all your love and support. And oh my gosh, I have reached, you guys have subscribed. I have reached over 3,000 subscribers. I know, it's like party. I am so excited and so thrilled and I feel so loved by you guys. So thank you so much. It's like, I should have a Build-A-Bear for me because I'm like, want to celebrate. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, I should have made a 3,000 subscriber Build-A-Bear for me, right? Because I'm so excited. Like, I can't even think straight. I'm so excited. But yeah, truly thank you so much for all your guys' love and support. It is just so, I totally feel it. I'm a lucky girl and I'm so blessed to be here. So with that being said, have a wonderful evening and I'll see you guys soon with my next haul. All right, guys. So till next time, take care. Be blessed. I'll see you all soon. Bye now. Bye. Okay, guys, bye.